Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to show a little how to calendar of prayer, how to downloading. So you just go into Google, you just write the free Brooks Alberta prayers. Just go in Qibla, they come like that. So Brooks Alberta, Canada acquiring to pray the time. This like that. Then after that they have like a downloading, free download. So free download this one. They have like a calendar like that. You can downloading this one. If you look, they have calendar different kind in there. They have to download this one calendar Adhan. So how to Adhan in Brooks Alberta download? You just click this one, download like that. So easy to download. Construction you go in and free to download like that. So this one easy to download. So click this one. When you download Adhan, click this one and you done any prayer like that. So construct you going download. For example, I can show you downloading download, click download. After that we have to know about calendar. So because they have like a religion, they have a lot important. They have any system they have like improve. They have to know like that. So this one how to download it like that. You have to know. You just click this one. You can download how to Adhan in Brooks Alberta downloading. So it's called download button any you want like that. So easy to remind like that. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said. Uh, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, uh, remind, uh, you know, remind is helping to reminding for believer for profit like that. So this one, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say like that. In Holy Quran, God he said in Holy Quran like that. So we have to know this one. So another thing is, so any Muslim we have to seek knowledge and read any one, compare you different kinds. The other thing I will tell you something about computer. All the word that they put in the computer, everything is know anything what you don't know, what you know, different kinds. Everything in the computer, they have everything is true. We have to know this one. Everything in the computer is true. Is no lying. So you can learn it from computer you want different kind of education from computer. What you don't know, you can learn a different kind from computer. Because all the words different kind they put in. What you have know, only if you have one finger if you know, five finger, what you know you don't know. So you can learn a different kind, you can know, read it, you have different kind like that. System to use like that. In Canada, for example, in Brooks, they have grown to every day, they have discovered in Canada, they have in the world they have discovered every day. They have grown every day. If you cannot learn it, they have one time you can lose your life. So learning beside your religion, keep learning and education. Education is one time they can help you like that. Any job you can get it. And the other thing is better to understand any place and like that. So thank you for watching. My name is Abdullah Musa from Canada, Brooks, Alberta.